Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be taking a quick look at this 2021 Genesis GV80 2.5 all-wheel drive. This new Genesis, one thing that you are going to say is that it has this beautiful quad tail light, and here you have the GV80 logo and Genesis boldly written, and here you have the other quad light here. And one thing I really love is this beautiful LED light back here. So if you unlock it, beautiful. And on the bottom you have two massive exhausts. Let me take you to the front. This GV80 is powered by a 2.5 liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine that is paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, and this produces 300 horsepower and 311 pound-feet of torque. And one thing I really love about this new GV80 is this quad headlight. And you have this massive grille with the camera right there. And if you look up here, you have the Genesis logo. Beautiful. Now when you unlock it, that's what the lights are like. I really love what Genesis have done. And this is for the radar cruise control. And on the bottom you also have this mesh-like grill that is open. Beautiful. One amazing feature is that when this has a power folding mirror, so when you unlock it, the mirrors actually opens up, and when you lock it, the mirror folds back to its position, which is good, especially when you are parking in a place that is very, very tight. Now, one thing that I cannot forget is the self-leveling rear suspension that this GV80 comes with, and this is equipped with these massive tires. These are 22-inch, and you have these massive rotors in there with these alloy wheels. This GV80 costs $65,600, which I think is not bad at all for an SUV like this. Now, this is what the key fob is like. As you can see, you have the lock, you have the unlock, you have these two actually. So, okay, now this has the Hyundai Intelligent Park Assist in it, where this SUV can actually park itself, and that is the two buttons you have right there. So you can use this to, you can open your tailgate with your key fob, which is really nice, and you can also use that to close it, which is very, very convenient. And I think for $60,000 it's not a bad price at all. Now, in the rear you have power folding seats, which is really nice. So you can actually fold the seat, but one thing is you can't actually like put the seats up. Here you have a 12-volt and 180-watt charger, and there you have a light. And down here under this you have storage compartment. You put on that, and you have this storage compartment there. And this is what the interior is like. This has a black interior, and to fold the seat here in front, you can use that to fold it, but to put it up, you have to actually manually put them up. Now this is what the interior is like. This is what the rear seats are like. There you have climate control, you have a big vent there, and you have a charger right there. And in the back seat you have this center armrest. You push on that, you have two cup holders that pops out, and you can put it away. If you don't need it, you can actually turn that into a seat. So this is a 5-passenger seat SUV, and on the door you have your speakers. Now the GV80 originally comes with 19-inch wheel, but this one has added features that cost almost $4,400, and this 22-inch wheel, these are extra wheels that was put in on this GV80. Let me show you the front. And this is what the front is like. One thing I really love about this GV80 is how roomy and spacious this GV80 is. And when you get this, you also get Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, which I think is a really great feature. Yeah, so tell me what you think about this 2021 Genesis GV80 with a 2.5 liter turbocharged engine that produces 300 horsepower and 311 pound-feet of torque. Next, I am going to do an interior review of this beautiful SUV, and yeah, I will show you what the interior, and I'm going to play with some of the features that comes with it. Now, before I forget, with a 2.5 turbocharged engine, you get about 21 miles to a gallon in the city and 25 miles to a gallon on the highway. This exterior color is called the Uyuni white.